Hello everyone, today I won't be sharing any recipe but I'll be talking about the latest Innofood oven. It's called the Digital Master Convection Oven. The model number is KT-V88. Okay, this oven comes with the latest smart convection technology. Basically it means that the convection mode, or it's also called the turbofan mode, has been programmed to produce alternate heat rotation. At the end of baking, you will see your cakes, your cookies, even when you bake a few layers, the colors will be even and looks wonderful. I will talk more about this oven and introduce all the modes available. Okay, the V8 oven is actually a 78-liter oven, so it's suitable for family like mine and also for home bakers. I will talk about it more later on. I've been experimenting using this oven. I bake sourdough bagels, cinnamon rolls, sourdough, yes, with steam. I will explain later. And I bake cookies, cupcakes and cakes. So it's a very good oven. As for the accessories, okay, this is the non-stick tray. This oven comes with 3 of these. I have 2 in the oven and here 1 more, 3 of the non-stick trays. And this is the grill slot or grill tray. You'll get 2 of these. So total 5 items you will get together with the oven, 2 grill slots and 3 non-stick trays. When you receive your oven, all you need to do is, this is the plug for the V8 oven. Plug in directly into the wall socket. Press on. There's a button at the back on my right hand side. And the oven has been switched off. Please do not use any extension cable, extension wire. It's for safety reason. All you need to do is plug into the wall socket, and then when it's not in use, what you do is off it, off the wall socket, plug it. This is also for safety measure. Okay, before you start cooking or baking anything in the oven, you will need to preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, top and bottom, for about 30 minutes. Is to remove any smell from the chamber and to prepare your oven for your future bakes and cooking. Conventional, 200, up and down. If possible, try to preheat it for about 1 hour. That's the best, but 30 minutes will do. Press on. Okay, I'll give you the measurement for this V8 oven. The width from this end all the way to the handle is 63 centimeter. The length from here to here is 64 centimeter. As for the height from the top to the bottom is 47 centimeter. So it's a great size oven for everyone. At the bottom you can see the LED digital touch panel. This large button is the on and off button. Press once, you will see the standby mode showing 180 degrees Celsius, and default set it at 30 minutes. Press the second time to switch off the oven. This is the steam button. This is the steam button. This is the light button. Press on and the chamber will be lighted up. Press one more time to switch it off. Okay, of the panel, you have the temperature control button over here. This is for the top element and this is for the bottom element. To change the temperature, if you want to increase it, press once, press up button. It's the same for the bottom heating element temperature. And press down to decrease the temperature. And here is the baking time or cooking time button. Same, press once. Over here, to increase the time, press up. To decrease, press down. And for your information, the maximum temperature on this oven goes up to 230. Okay, let me show you. Okay, that's the max. Over here on my left, you can see there are 9 baking modes. The first mode is the top and bottom heat. It's very similar to the conventional baking mode. I use this mode when I'm baking a small batch of buns, cakes and cookies. For example, baking one tray on one level. I usually place the tray in the center. Place on the center shelf. Next is the top heat mode. It usually is good for toasting or grilling small quantities food items. For example, you can toast the sesame seeds, all the small items. Next is the bottom heat only mode, which is suitable to bake cakes that comes with crispy or crusty bottom. The following mode is the one I use the most. It's the top and bottom heat with convection, which I have been using a lot for my sourdough baking. I'll be sharing a simple sourdough country loaf recipe very soon. The great thing with this oven is it comes with the steam function, the button which I've shown earlier. Ever since I have this V88 oven, I don't need to open and close the door, close it back repeatedly to spray water into the oven to create steam. With the V88 steam function, all I need to do is place the end of the pipe, which is attached to the back of the left side oven. Then place the end of the pipe into a bowl of water and press the steam button. Voila! Steam is injected into the chamber. Okay, for the steam to work, the oven temperature must be above 120 degrees Celsius and it must be in the convection mode. Besides baking sourdoughs, this mode is suitable for roasting too. You can roast the whole turkey, whole chicken, and many more. We are still on the same mode. With this particular convection mode, you can bake the cupcakes, whole cakes, and etc. in multi-layers. Yes, you heard me correctly. We can bake multi-layers at the same time and the results are amazing. The colors of the bakes are extremely even and you don't even need to rotate or swap the trays at all. As I've mentioned earlier, this V88 oven is a good oven for everyone, especially for home bakers. Baking multi-layers at one go will definitely help us in cutting down the electricity usage and also our precious time. So home bakers who are watching this video, you've got to consider getting this Innofood KT-V88 convection oven. Okay, let's move to the next mode. This is the top and rear heat with convection. The next mode is bottom and rear heat with convection. Okay, next. This is the rear heat with convection. It's a mode to select when you bake small items in multi-layers, for example cookies. And the best thing is you don't even need to swap or rotate the trays throughout the whole baking process. So for this mode, it's good to bake your festive cookies. Can be for your family's consumption or for selling purposes. Okay. Next is the convection only. This mode is very similar to cooling fan. And last mode is the fermentation mode, which is a great mode to ferment or proof your dough. The temperature is from 30 to 50 degrees Celsius, so you can choose from 30°C to 50°C. Okay, now let's move on to the oven door. I believe everyone prioritize safety of yourself and also your family, and Innofood cares for their customers' safety too. So the door is made with double layered tempered glass, one in front and one inside. Okay, why double layered tempered glass? Okay, why? The reason is because with double layer tempered glass, the door will stay cool during bakes or during cooking process to prevent the glass from shattering when the temperature is too hot in the chamber. If it's with the single layer, sometimes accident happen, but with double layer, it's safer and to prevent any accidents from happening. So it's a good safety measure, and of course, for easy viewing as well. Okay, now I will show you the gasket. Here's the gasket. Okay, this oven comes with the unique door gasket. It's designed to minimize heat loss and maintaining the consistent temperature throughout the baking or cooking process. So it's a good oven when it can maintain the temperature in the chamber. Okay, we'll have a look at the interior now. Look at the shiny interior. It's actually made of SUS 304 stainless steel. I'll give you the measurement. The measurement width from the front to the back is actually 63 centimeter. The length from this end to this end is 52 cm, and the height from the top to bottom is 33 centimeter. Okay, as you can see, there are 5 positions over here. This is the shelf support, and there are 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 here, and that is why this oven comes with 5 accessories: the 3 non-stick tray and the 2 grill slots. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed this video and got to learn a bit more about the Innofood latest V88 oven. I will see all of you very soon, and happy baking!